how to make your iPhone aesthetic. So first of all, what we're gonna do is change our wallpaper. For that, get to your lock screen just like this, long press on here, then you'll get to see a plus icon, tap on that, then tap on photos, then your gallery will be opened. Then you have to select a desired wallpaper. Just like this, I'm going to go with that one. And from here, if you want to change any of your lock screen fonts like your time, tap on that one. Then I'm going to make it pink too. So I'm going to select this particular color right here, adjust it however I want, like that. I'm going to change the font of it too, just like that. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller like that too. And here you can see I am kind of satisfied with it. I'm going to adjust it a little bit. Just like that. Now I'm going to tap on the blank space just like this. And if you want to add widget, you can tap on that and add it. And also if you want to edit something else, you can do so. Then all you need to do is tap on add. And what you're going to do is now set this as wallpaper pair, just like this. Now tap on this wallpaper again. And now here you can see we have successfully changed our wallpaper. So in here, if you want to also change the color of your app icons, what you're going to do is long press on your home screen just like this, then tap on the edit option right here. Then you can get the option of customize, tap on that one. Then what you're going to do is select tinted just like this. Here you can see it has already adjusted the color according to your wallpaper. But if you want to go lighter, you can do so just like this. Here you can see I like that one. And you can also customize a lot of different things in here. If you want to do that, you can do that. And when you're satisfied with it, you can always simply tap on the blank space just like this. And in here, you can see we have successfully made our iPhone look aesthetic. And just like this, here you can see we have successfully made our iPhone look aesthetic. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.